Are you planning to visit New York City anytime soon? If so, there's a sparkling gem nestled right in the heart of the city that you shouldn't miss. Central Park, an oasis of green amidst the concrete jungle, is one of the most visited destinations in the Big Apple. It's a place where city dwellers escape the hustle and bustle, where nature lovers find respite, and where history buffs explore fascinating landmarks. Straddling the island of Manhattan from 59th to 110th Streets, Central Park is a sprawling green space that offers more than just a breath of fresh air. It's a microcosm of New York itself, rich in culture, history, and charm. And the best way to delve into this urban Eden's myriad attractions? Guided tours. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply a curious traveler, these tours offer an immersive experience like no other. To truly immerse yourself in the beauty of Central Park, guided tours are the way to go. Imagine strolling through the park in a classic horse and carriage tour. This isn't just any ride, it's a step back in time, a chance to experience Central Park as it was in the days of old. Picture yourself nestled in the comfort of a charming vintage carriage as a well-trained horse leads you on a leisurely tour. The route is carefully selected to showcase the park's most iconic features, from its lush landscapes to its architectural marvels. The tour typically lasts for about an hour, ample time to soak in the park's serene atmosphere. Don't worry about the logistics. Booking a horse and carriage tour is a breeze. Simply head over to the official Central Park website or any reputable tour operator online. A word of advice: do consider booking in advance, especially during peak seasons, to secure your spot. A horse and carriage tour is a timeless way to experience Central Park. Whether you're a history buff, a romantic at heart, or someone seeking a unique adventure, this tour is sure to leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. For the more adventurous, how about a bike or e-scooter tour? With the wind in your hair and the freedom to cover more ground, these tours offer an exhilarating way to explore Central Park. The guided bike and e-scooter tours are led by licensed experts, so you won't miss any of the park's iconic locations. The tours can range in duration, providing flexibility to fit your schedule. You can choose from a variety of bicycles, including hybrid, road, mountain, and even tandem bikes for those who want to ride together. If you prefer something a bit more modern, e-bikes and e-scooters are also available. Booking a tour is as easy as visiting the Greensward Group's website, where you can also find detailed information on the routes you'll be taking. If you'd rather explore on your own, top-quality bike and e-scooter rentals are available for self-guided tours. Biking or scooting around Central Park is both fun and refreshing. It's a unique way to soak in the sights and sounds of one of the most visited destinations in New York City. If you prefer a slower pace, walking tours and pedicab tours are available. These tours offer an opportunity to enjoy the park's stunning scenery in a relaxed manner. Walking tours are typically led by experienced, licensed guides who will take you on a journey through the park's history, flora, and fauna. The routes are carefully curated to include the most iconic and beautiful parts of Central Park. For those who want to give their feet a rest, pedicab tours provide a unique and enjoyable experience. You can sit back and relax in the comfort of a pedicab while your guide pedals you around the park. Don't worry about missing out on any sights. Your guide will ensure you see all the key attractions and will be happy to answer any questions you may have. Booking a tour is easy. You can reserve a spot online or directly at the park. Just remember to check the weather forecast and dress comfortably. Most tours last about 2 hours, but the memories you'll make are sure to last a lifetime. Walking or riding a pedicab allows you to soak in the sights at your leisure. So whether you're a nature enthusiast, a history buff, or just looking for a unique way to explore Central Park, these tours have got you covered. For fitness enthusiasts, Central Park offers running and fitness tours. These tours are a fantastic way to combine your workout routine with an exploration of one of the world's most iconic parks. Routes vary, allowing you to experience different parts of the park, from the stunning reservoir views to the tranquil ramble woodlands. You can run at your pace, making it perfect for both newbie joggers and seasoned marathoners. The duration of these tours can range from an hour to 2, depending on the route and your fitness level. Each tour is guided by a trained professional who not only knows the best paths to take, but also keeps the group motivated throughout the run. Booking a running or fitness tour is as easy as a few clicks. Just head over to the Central Park official website, choose your preferred tour, and reserve your spot. Remember to bring along comfortable running shoes and a bottle of water, and you're good to go. A running or fitness tour is a great way to stay in shape while sightseeing. It's not just a run, it's an adventure. Looking for a unique blend of exercise and sightseeing? Try the Sunrise Yoga Walk. Imagine greeting the day with sun salutations as you meander through Central Park's iconic landscapes. This 2-mile journey weaves together yoga flows and mindful meditation exercises, allowing you to reconnect with nature and yourself amidst the bustling cityscape. The walk begins at the intersection of 59th Street and 5th Avenue, just as the city is waking up. You'll wander through verdant lawns, past shimmering ponds, and beneath the towering trees, stopping at select spots for yoga poses and breathing exercises. This tour is more than just a walk in the park. It's an opportunity to awaken your senses, stretch your body, and center your mind, all while exploring one of New York City's most beloved green spaces. To book your spot on this transformative experience, simply make a reservation online. Starting your day with yoga in Central Park is an experience like no other. So, are you ready to explore Central Park like never before? From the romantic allure of horse and carriage tours to the exhilarating e-scooter and bike tours, Central Park offers a myriad of ways to soak in its beauty. Don't forget the walking and pedicab tours, perfect for those who prefer a slower pace, or the running and fitness tours for the fitness enthusiasts among us. Each of these guided tours promises a unique experience, each offering a different slice of Central Park. And of course, the Sunrise Yoga Walk offers a serene start to your day, blending exercise and sightseeing in the most tranquil way possible. It doesn't matter what your preference is, Central Park has something for everyone. Guided tours not only offer an insight into the park's rich history, but also provide an opportunity to connect with nature in one of the most vibrant cities in the world. So, whether you're a seasoned New Yorker or a first-time visitor, take the chance to explore Central Park through these guided tours. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and insights. See you in the next video.